Okay, so what we're doing is we're pulling down this old horse trough. We're using my Jeep to do it, so this is the first time. So, but yeah, I'm just using a selfie stick and my cell phone to record all this. So just enjoy the video. Okay. All right, so we're done tearing down the building. Let me go back and show you everything. So this is pretty much nothing left. I don't see any other.
There's a corner right here. There used to be a little bit of the
A
wood.
little bit of the rot of the wood in there.
Yeah. Pretty easy.
I'm pretty sure there's some more rot in the wood, but I'm not going to worry about it. And here's pretty much, in case you missed it all, I took it in my Jeep and dragged it. I just simply put my Jeep in forward drive, low, very low, and then stuck it in second gear and used 3 straps. So yeah, when I dragged it all the way over here where my wood pile is, well, you can see there's nothing left. And there's my neighbor, Tyson. But for some of you who try tearing things down and break your rear window on your truck or Jeep, well, I made it where I didn't break my window. Everything went down good. So there's nothing left of the trough. So I'm going to be watching this video again and probably plugging it into my computer and watch all this and put it on YouTube for you all to watch. And one thing still left standing is my security cam, which is good because I was hoping that would go down, but it didn't. So that's the most important thing, for my security cam to stay up. So anyways, I forgot all about the old horse deal. So yeah, it's broken.
Little electric fence thing.
Yeah. On this right inside there's a little wasp nest inside, if you could see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, there's a few guys in there.
But I'm pretty excited for this going down. I just need to work on pulling everything apart and put the rest of my wood pile, and then coming in winter time, I'll just start burning stuff down. If you get a lot of snow, if you can. Alrighty, so watch my video and tell me what you think. And stay cool this summer and be safe. And thanks for watching. If I could get it turned off.